pillowy soft potato gnocchi with Italian sausage in a chicken tomato herbed broth with a few extra vegetables. Comfort soup for this bitter cold weather. It will warm your toes. Stay tuned. This is the brand of sausage that I'm using tonight. This is a hot Italian turkey sausage, and I'm using the entire package. It has a thin casing that I'm removing. In my soup pot on medium heat, I'm adding in a tablespoon of beef bacon fat to get things started. You can use olive oil or even chicken fat. Adding in my Italian sausage, chopping and cooking for 5 to 7 minutes or until the meat is no longer pink. Adding in 1 cup of diced onion, 1 medium diced red bell pepper, and 2 diced stalks of celery, and I included the leafy tops, which have a lot of flavor. Those look like pretty Italian colors. A 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions soften. This is 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute or until the paste is incorporated. Also adding in 2 teaspoons of Italian seasonings, cooking and stirring for another minute. If you are using a sweet Italian sausage, you could add in some red pepper flakes for the heat. You could also add any other Italian profile seasonings like oregano, basil, or parsley. Make it the way you like it. This is 4 cups of my homemade chicken broth, and I'm also adding in 1 14.5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. You could also use fire-roasted diced tomatoes or tomato sauce. Use what you have in your pantry. Turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. I like to boost the flavor in soups by adding a teaspoon of better than chicken bouillon. Giving that a stir, bringing up to a light simmer, covering and cooking for 15 minutes. Adding in 1 package of potato gnocchi, and these are readily available in most grocery stores. Or, if you feel creative and energetic, you can make your own. This is about 2 cups or handfuls of fresh baby spinach. I also added another cup of chicken broth to thin out the soup, so I used a total of 5 cups. Bring this back up to a simmer, and the gnocchi will take about 3 to 4 minutes to cook and become soft. Give the soup a taste for any additional seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, or a dash more of Italian seasonings. This is such a total comfort soup. I could eat this every day. I love the Italian sausage and the rich herbed chicken tomato broth, and the gnocchi are like little dumplings. Garnishing with some grated parmesan cheese. This soup is fine by itself, but you can make it a total meal by serving it with a side salad and a piece of toasted garlic parmesan bread. I hope you give my gnocchi and Italian sausage soup a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.